Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, now add your phone as a verification method. First, navigate to Security, then Advanced Security Options. Once there, choose Add a new way to sign in or verify and pick phone. Enter your country code and the number carefully. Mistyped digits block the process. Make sure this is a personal number you control. After you submit the number, Microsoft will prompt you to choose SMS or call. Select SMS for speed unless you prefer voice. You'll receive a 6-digit code by SMS or automated call. When it arrives, type it into the verification field immediately. If the code doesn't arrive, request a resend, but wait about 30 seconds between attempts to avoid rate limits. Once accepted, you can mark the phone as primary for 2-step verification or keep it as a backup. Make sure your account recovery options are updated, and that Microsoft shows the phone as verified in your security methods list before closing the page. Finish by reviewing 2-step verification and saving any changes to your security info. Then sign out and sign back in to test the setup so you confirm the phone receives codes during real sign-ins. If you don't get codes, check your phone's SMS blocking, carrier restrictions, or a Do Not Disturb setting. Those often block automated messages. As a troubleshooting tip, try a different phone number or use the Microsoft Authenticator app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.